Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Subject Applied Mathematics. Name of faculty myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Our chapter name is Integration, chapter number 4. We have the list of standard integral formula. Integration dx upon a square plus x square 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Integration dx upon a square minus x square 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Integration dx upon x square minus a square 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Integration dx upon under root a square minus x square sine inverse x upon a plus c. Be careful in this formula where a is the constant which always greater than 1 and it is always positive number. Let us take the example based on this. The integration dx upon 25 minus x square. We know 25 is the perfect square of 5. So we have the formula dx upon a square minus x square 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. What is the a value? 5. Then a square 25. Therefore integration dx upon 25 minus x square is equal to integration dx upon 5 square minus x square. So we have the formula 2 into a 2 into 5 log a plus x 5 plus x a minus x 5 minus x plus c. We have to know that 5 into 2 is 10. We derive the answer 1 upon 10 log 5 plus x upon 5 minus x plus c. Integration dx upon x square minus 16. We know that 16 is the perfect square of 4. That's why we have the formula x square minus a square is there because middle term is minus. So that's why we have the formula 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a. We have to put a is equal to 4. So x remain as the same. Integration dx upon x square minus 4 square is equal to 1 upon 2 into 4 log x minus 4 upon x plus 4 plus c. 4 into 2, 8 log x minus 4 upon x plus 4 plus c is the final answer of integration dx upon x square minus 16. Now square root is there and only two terms are there. Dx upon 36 minus x square in a square root. 36 is the perfect square of 6. That's why we have the formula integration dx square root formula a square minus x square is sine inverse x upon a plus c. What is the value of a? Yes, 6. What is the remaining value of x? Remain as the same. So we have sine inverse x upon a plus c. Instead of a, we have to substitute the 6. So integration dx upon under root a square minus x square 6 square minus x square is sine inverse x upon 6 plus c. Now we have to take integration 1 upon x square plus 4 is there. So we know that 4 is the perfect square of which number? Yes, 2. That's why we have integration 1 upon x square plus 2 square. But we need the formula. Yes, we have integration of 1 upon x square plus a square is 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a. That's why 1 upon 2 tan inverse x upon 2 plus c. Now here 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x is there. We know that if derivative is possible, we have to substitute u there. But here it is not also possible. So that's why we have to use the trigonometric substitution. Here is what? Let us check and remind also. Tan x by 2 is equal to t cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, dx is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square always. So, integration dx upon 5 plus 4 cos x. We have the 5 remain as the same, 4 remain as the same. What is cos x? Yes, 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Dx is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. So, we have 1 plus t square in a numerator. So, we have to simplify. So, we have to take 1 plus t square into 5. So, 5 plus 5t square, 4 minus 4t square. Simplification is start. T square, 5t square minus 4t square, t square is there. 5 plus 4, 9 is there. 1 plus t square get cancelled. 2 is constant. So, we have integration 1 upon t square plus 9 is there. What is the integration of 9? No, it is the integration of 1 upon t square plus 3 square is there. So, we have the integration formula. Integration 1 upon x square plus a square is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a. That's why we have two constant is there. A is 3, 1 upon 3, tan inverse t upon 3 is there plus c. But t value is we have tan x by 2. So, we derive the final answer in a form of 5 plus 4 cos x is 2 upon 3 tan inverse in bracket tan x by 2 upon 3 plus c. Always substitute. Instead of 5 plus 4 cos x is there, we have to put 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Dx is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. And last we have to put instead of t tan x by 2. Let us take one more example. Integration dx upon 1 plus sin x plus cos x is there. So put tan x by 2 is equal to t, sin x is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square, cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, dx is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Now, both the term is available there. Be careful, constant term is must there. So, we have to put instead of the sin x is 2t upon 1 plus t square. Instead of cos x, 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Instead of dx, we have to put 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. So, in numerator, this term is available. So, 1 plus t square is common in denominator, we have to cross multiply. So, 1 plus t square plus 2t plus 1 minus t square in numerator and 1 plus t square and these 1 plus t square get cancelled. So, we have the integral in the formula 2 dt upon 1 plus t square plus 2t plus 1 minus t square. T square minus t square get cancelled. 2t plus 1 plus 1, 2 is remaining. 2 take outside, 2 get cancelled. We derive dt upon t plus 1. We know what? Integration of 1 upon x is log x and integration of 1 upon x plus a is log of x plus a. That's why integration of t plus 1, that is log t plus 1 plus c. We have to resubstitute the value of t is tan x by 2. So, we derive log tan x by 2 plus 1 bracket complete plus c. So, up to this example we ready for the cos x and sin x. Now, we have to take use of our partial fraction in basic mathematics chapter. Yes, form of the rational function. Px plus q upon x minus a, x minus b. Yes, these are non-repeated factor. Then we have to write how way? Yes, a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b. Next, px plus q upon x minus a whole bracket square, capital A upon x minus a plus capital B upon x minus a whole bracket square. Next, px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a, x minus b and x minus c. We should write these are non-repeated factor. That's why capital A upon x minus a, capital B upon x minus b plus capital C upon x minus c. Now, px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a whole bracket square, x minus b is there, x minus a whole bracket square look like this non-repeated factor. Yes, and x minus b is a repeated factor. That's why capital A upon x minus a plus capital B upon x minus a whole bracket square plus capital C upon x minus b. Now, last but not least, px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a, x square plus bx plus c is what? Capital A upon x minus a plus capital bx plus c upon x square plus bx plus p. Be careful where x square plus bx plus c cannot factorize further. Means it is not equal to 0. That means this quadratic equation have no real factors. So we have to take the example based on this. Yes. Let us start from the first example. Evaluate the integration x upon x plus 1 x plus 2. So we have to consider x upon x plus 1 x plus 2, a upon x plus 1, b upon x plus 2. We have to take the cross multiplication. X is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Put x plus 1 equal to 0, that means x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 a minus 1 plus 2 plus b 0. That's why minus 1 is equal to a in bracket 1. A is equal to minus 1 is the final answer. Now we have to put x is equal to minus 2 because x plus 2 is equal to 0. That's why x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to b in bracket minus 2 plus 1. We have minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 2 b minus 1 is there. B is equal to plus 2. So we derive the final answer in the form of x upon x plus 1, x plus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 2 upon x plus 2. We have to put and integrate in the function. So x upon x plus 1, x plus 2 we derive minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 2 upon x plus 2. We have to separate the each term of integral minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 2 constant 1 upon x plus 2. We know that integration of 1 upon x plus a is log modulus x plus a. That's why we have 1 upon x plus 1 is log x plus 1 plus 2 constant. 1 upon integration of x plus 2 is log x plus 2 plus c. Now we have next example. X plus 1 upon x square minus 4 is there. Oh, x square minus 4, it is the bracket expansion is what? Yes, we know that a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. That's why x plus 1 upon x in bracket x square minus 4 dx is equal to integration x plus 1 upon x minus 2 x plus 2 dx. So we have to know that x plus 1 upon x minus 2 x plus 2 is a upon x plus b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x plus 2. So we have the LCM term. This is LCM. X is there. So x get cancelled. X minus 2 x plus 2. X minus 2 is there. These x minus 2 get cancelled. X into x plus 2. And for derive C, x plus 2 and x plus 2 get cancelled. X into x minus 2 is there. So we have to use this method of cancellation in partial fraction. So we have x plus 1 is equal to a x minus 2 x plus 2 b x in bracket x plus 2 plus c x into x minus 2. First factor is x. That's why we have to put x is equal to 0. So b into 0, 0, c into 0, 0. That's why 0 minus 2, 0 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, minus 4, 0 plus 1, it is 1. So minus 4 goes this side. That's why a is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Now we have to put x is equal to 2 is there. So instead of 2 we have to derive now b is there. Yes. So 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, therefore a and c are 0. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. Now 2 in bracket 2 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4 2s are 8. That's why 3 upon 8 is the answer of B. Now x is equal to minus 2 we have to put. That's why here we have to derive the value of C. How? Yes, minus 2 plus 2 0. That's why A 0. Minus 2 plus 2 0. That's why B 0. So we derive minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 4 into minus 2 plus 8. So that's why minus, here is a minus 2 plus 1, it is minus 1. Minus 1 upon 8 is the final answer. We have to substitute in A, B, C. We have to take the integration in this form of minus 1 upon 4 x, 3 upon 8 x minus 2, minus 1 upon 8 x plus 2. Now we know that 1 upon x plus a integration is log x plus a. That's why integration of 1 upon x is log x. Integration of x minus 2 log x minus 2. Integration of x plus 2 is log x plus 2. So we derive the final answer in this format of 3 terms. So in this way we solve the example.